Guys, welcome to another video on my series where I talk all about Indian breads. Today I'm going to be talking about a really mysterious white bread. You guys must have seen me use this bread in kati rolls or wraps or the potato rolls, or it's like the most common bread which I like to use for like snack or lunch. And today I'm going to share that with you, and it's an unbelievably simple recipe. So let's get started right now. So let's start with some maida flour or all-purpose flour in our mixing bowl.
So here I just have some plain white flour, and to this I'm going to start adding some water, and using my KitchenAid mixer and the hook attachment I will start mixing.
You want to mix this until your dough is soft but not sticky.
So here's our dough ball. It's soft, not sticky. So now let's cut this and separate it into two equal halves. So here I have some melted ghee. I'm going to spread that on my work surface here and put some on the bread. It's going to help give it that nice golden brown exterior. Now let's roll it out into a thin round disc. That's a nicely rolled out dough. Now let's heat up a pan on medium-high heat and cook our bread.
Using the ghee while cooking this bread really brings an awesome color to our bread, and it has an incredible flavor.
So you know your bread is cooking once you start seeing small bubbles appearing on the surface of the bread. Once you get these bubbles, flip your bread. Has those nice crispy golden brown spots. Now repeat the same process for the remaining dough and you'll be left with this beautiful stack of bread.
There you have it, guys. The mystery is solved. It's a simple white paratha bread which is good for anything from wraps to rolls. And I hope you guys like this video and you're gonna try this recipe. Let me know how it is and in what form you like it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you guys again on the next one.